Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness on your Google TV Hisense. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust your TV's brightness. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says Quick Settings and click on that. Next, click on All Settings on the upper right hand corner. Then from here, scroll down to where it says Display and Sound, which is the second option, and then click on Picture, which is this first option. Then go down to where it says Brightness and click on Brightness. So this is where you could actually go ahead and adjust your brightness settings on your Google TV Hisense TV. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.